Hello student, here we discuss about RS notation for tartaric acid. Okay, this is organic chemistry, fourth priority group. You should know about this. That's fourth priority group on vertical line, so it will be real configuration. If fourth priority group is on the horizontal line, so it will be fake configuration. If the lowest priority group is on wedge or if it is on wedge or on horizontal line, so double swap will be required and the reverse configuration will be correct configuration. Okay, so an arrow mark will be from highest priority to lowest priority. High 1 2 3 first priority, second priority, then move towards the third priority. If it is clockwise, so we will call it a rectus, that is R. If it is anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, we call it S configuration or sinister configuration. Counterclockwise is also known as anti-clockwise. Okay, so if it is just like a clockwise rotation, 1 to 2 to 3. Okay, like 1 2 3 I am writing here, 1 1 2 3 like this. So it will be clockwise. And if it is like this, this is anti-clockwise, so 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. So this will be S configuration and this will be R configuration. Clear to you? Now we'll go for the exercise. See, this is tartaric acid. Here I have written there are 2 chiral carbon. I have written far away so that it will be easy for you. This is 1 2 3 4. So 2, 3 dihydroxybutane dioic acid. Write down 2, 3 dihydroxybutane dioic acid. Draw this structure also. Okay, so here OH is having oxygen is having more atomic number, higher atomic number than carbon, so it is first priority. This carboxylic group is having second priority, and the whole part is having fourth priority, and hydrogen is having least lowest priority. So it looks like from 1 to 2 to 3 we have to move from 1 to 2 to 3 like this. But it looks like if it is anti-clockwise, so it is looking that it is S configuration. But wait, here it is not S configuration, it is R configuration is real configuration, because H is on the horizontal line. I told you that H should be on the vertical line. Okay, H should be, fourth group should be on the vertical line. See, fourth priority group on vertical line, true real hai. If fourth priority group is on horizontal line, so it is a fake configuration which we are watching, and reverse is true. So what is reverse here? It is looking like this is S configuration, but really it is R, so it is 2R. Like that we will go for the last one. So this is second chiral carbon. So this is carbon number 3. Is carbon number 3, this is first priority, this is second priority, and the whole will be the top one is the third priority. So it is looking like that it is S configuration, but here also it is R configuration. So we are